Today I'm reviewing the WoveN SounD brick acoustic wall panels. I got the 16 pack and these are 16 by 12 inches. And what I really love about these are they're not just to make your wall look better, but they're also soundproofing. So it said something, I think like 95% of ambient noise that it drowns out, which is really good because I don't have any insulation on my walls. I just have these ugly wood paneling walls that I'm trying to hide, and these are doing a great job of making them look so much more modern. And then on top of it, having the soundproofing is amazing because I definitely want to take advantage of that. You can see here how thick they are, and they're actually peel and stick, so they're super easy to peel off and they stick on there so well. So what you want to do is you want to wipe the wall down first and let it dry so that it's nice and clean, so these stick on easily, which is what I did, and these have stuck on here very well, and I absolutely love these. They come in different colors as well and different styles, which is really cool, so you can choose from the ones that you want, and they're super easy to put together. Like, I'm not good at any kind of like handy things like this, but it's been very easy to do. These are really great quality and I highly recommend them. Thank you so much for sending them over.